Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Tailwind to drive passive income, full guide step by step clearly. First, start by understanding what Tailwind is. Tailwind is a marketing tool primarily for Pinterest and Instagram. It helps automate your social media scheduling and analytics. Begin by creating an account on the Tailwind website. Choose a pricing plan that suits your needs. Once logged in, connect your Pinterest or Instagram account. Tailwind will guide you through the integration process. Once connected, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You'll see options for creating and scheduling posts. Next, create your first pin using the design tools in Tailwind. Upload high-quality images that showcase your content. Write engaging descriptions with relevant keywords. Once your pin is ready, add it to relevant boards. Use Tailwind's Smart Schedule feature to optimize posting times. This feature suggests the best times to share your content. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates. Regularly monitor your analytics to track performance. Identify which pins are driving the most engagement. Use this data to refine your future content strategies. Consider joining Tailwind's Tribes feature. Tribes allow you to collaborate with other creators. By sharing each other's content, you enhance visibility. Incorporate affiliate marketing into your strategy. Promote products or services that align with your niche. Place affiliate links in your pin descriptions and blog posts. Regularly update your old pins with new images and links. This keeps your content fresh and relevant. Optimize your Tailwind account with keywords specific to your niche. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.